Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are cooking something very delicious. It's in fact one of my favorite sauce. It is coconut and curry sauce with some vegetables, and guess what meat we are using to cook today? Yes, guess. Can you guess, guys? Let me spare you the guess. We are using duck. Yes, you heard me, duck meat. Duck is what we are using today to cook our coconut milk and curry sauce, and we're going to be eating it with our white rice later. So let me show you the ingredients I'm going to be using. Yes, importantly, my duck meat, as you can see, is already cooked, is already boiled. Then I'm going to be using needing my thyme, my pepper, my paprika powder, my ginger powder, my garlic powder, and yes, the two important ingredients, the coconut milk and my curry powder. Then I salt to taste. For your vegetable, you can use any vegetable of your choice. Any vegetable of your choice. So these are the vegetables I will be using today. I have in here my paprika, red paprika, green paprika, yellow paprika, some of my bamboo. I think bamboo stem is one of ingredients the Chinese they use in cooking. In this coconut milk and curry sauce, I like using a little bit of the bamboo stem. So that is why when I go to the supermarket, I go for this vegetable. That is why you see it's not fresh, it's actually frozen, because in there I have my bamboo stem. You see it, if you can see, not much of it, but yeah, I have it. I like the taste of it in my curry milk and coconut milk and curry sauce, sorry to say. Yeah, then a very large onions I will be using. So guys, and let's start cooking. And in here I already have my rice parboiling. I have my rice here already, so I'll leave it to parboil before I take it out for wash. So let's start with my sauce. As you can see, I already have my oil. I already have my oil here, so it's already hot. So I'm going to be putting in my onions. Sorry guys, in case maybe I'm a little bit fast with my talking and you can understand me, don't mind me. You can always leave me a question. You can always ask me any question. What you don't understand, ask me in my comment section. Now I'll be happy to explain. Sunday we just came back from church, and my family, they are really hungry, so I have to feed them something really quick. Yeah. So we're gonna leave the onions to steam a little bit, just a little bit. Then I introduce my vegetables in. So I'm gonna give it a quick turn. So I'm gonna cover it off for some minutes to steam. As I'm waiting for that to steam, I'm gonna check my rice to see if it's parboiled. Yeah, I think it's ready to take out for a quick wash. Then we come back. Let me take my rice out and wash it, then we'll be back, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a quick stir. Then right now I'm gonna start adding my ingredients. A little bit salt to taste. You put the salt to your taste. Then with the curry powder, I'm gonna be really generous. I'm going to add lots of that, so you can see my curry powder, because that is the important ingredient. As you can see how much of the curry powder I have in there. I'm going to add a little bit of my paprika powder, a little bit of my pepper, my black pepper. Then my ginger and a little bit of my garlic. then my thyme a little bit too. So I'm gonna cut open my milk, coconut milk, and pour it there. Sorry for so I'm gonna give it a stir. Give it a stir. As you can see from the color, the curry powder so I'm gonna test to know if my ingredients are okay, my spices are okay, or I still need to add a little bit of spice. Let me test and see. It's perfect. Okay, we're gonna leave it to cook. Then in the other pot I have my water. I'm gonna add a little bit salt in there. Then the water is boiled, as you can see. So my rice, I'm gonna pour in my rice. Okay, the water is much, so I'm gonna reduce the water. Okay, so yes, the water is okay for my rice. So I'm gonna leave my rice, cover it up, and leave it to cook. Okay, let's check our sauce to see how we are doing. Okay, at this point I'm gonna pour in my duck meat. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's looking lovely already. And I also love the consistency, so I don't want it too watery and not too thick. So as you can see, it is perfect the way it is. Lovely. So we're going to leave it for some minutes, for 2-3 minutes to cook, because like I said before, my meat is already done. So I'm just going to leave it for 2-3 minutes, you know, for the meat to have that the sauce taste, you know, for all of them to combine, you know. Then we'll come back. Okay, our sauce is ready to be eaten. See it? What do you guys think? It doesn't only look so lovely, it tastes so yummy out. It tastes so yummy, believe me. Try it. The coconut milk you can get in any supermarket. If you live here in Germany, you can get in Lidl, Aldi, or if you have any local African shop in your area or Asian shop, you can get your coconut milk there. Try it, guys, and leave me a comment below what you think. It's a wonderful recipe, I tell you, you enjoy it. And our white rice is also ready. As you can see, the water is all dried up. So my food is ready to be eaten. Yeah, my family is already hungry, so I'm gonna start dishing out yet. Okay, guys, as you can see, the food is dished. Ooh, really hungry. Okay, that should be enough. So let's try some of I can't wait to take a taste. I can't wait to taste. I can't wait to taste. Guys, the aroma alone, I tell you, is something else. So be careful not to burn my mouth because the food is still really hot, huh? Guys, this is really delicious, I tell you. Try it. The ingredients are not difficult to find. Your coconut milk, your curry, you can get in any supermarket, or vegetables. I use duck meat. You can use any meat of your choice. You can use your beef, you can use your chicken, use any meat of your choice. But when making this recipe, I like using duck. I like using duck to make this recipe because it gives that, I don't know how to explain it to you guys, it gives that really taste you can't really get anywhere else. Okay guys, I hope you liked today's recipe. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so so that each time I upload a video, and also press on your notification bell so you get notified when I upload. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful Sunday. Ciao ciao.